Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this evening's program. This is myself, Maureen, Bulgaria.
Thank you.
And this is my friend, Gwendolyn.
Thank you.
Gwendolyn Cherry.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna entertain you. Okay, here we go. I don't remember. Well, I got a brand new combiner.
Oh, and love. Free.
Well, I got a brand new combiner. What's up? I like the best. You're like in it out with that. If you diss us, you get beat up blood. You get beat up. So don't diss us, okay? Diss us with that. Diss us. Okay, we are off now. Thank you for watching this evening's program. Au revoir. S'il vous plaît, mouillez votre alphabet. Whoopie, stop it. Okay. Darling. Okay. Goodbye. Dear Post. I'll see you.
I'll see if you head.
Ow! Can't stop me. Yeah?